Look at this. Think the water's a little high? The water would come up right there. Whole dock is underwater. Wonder how it's gonna affect the fish though. Looks like it's gonna be an easy launch. Oh, what was that? Did I just get stung by a bee? What was that? What the f was that? Did I just get stung by a bee? What the fuck? I've never been stung. What the fuck? That hurts. I can't tell if something just poked me or if I got stung. Something just got me in my foot. I don't know if a bird got me, if I got stung. I think I just got stung by my first bee while walking the kayak into the water. It was some sort of stinger type thing, because it was like instant, and it like started, it was like throbbing when it was like in there too. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully we can get on a fish right away. Motherfucker. Bro, these bees, bro, keep on messing. I swear to God, if that bee comes back, I'm gonna catch it with my net and kill it. There we go. Feels pretty good. Stay down. Oh, that's a nice pike. Oh my God. That's a nice little fat pike. I thought this was gonna be a monster bass. Nice size pike right there. I thought that was gonna be like a 6-pound bass. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna try a hair jig. It just feels like a hair jig is gonna work. Because they're chasing minnows, but they're not really deep, not really hitting top. So either a jerkbait or a hair jig, like a streamer, would work. There we go. Oh, he came off. Damn. Nice little smallie. Damn, he got so much air. That was crazy. There we go. Oh my gosh, how did it? There it is. Stay pinned. It's just pike. Oh my God. Nice little pike. Tell the bass to eat. Tell the bass to eat, pike boy. Oh. Where are the bass? Where are the bass? Oh, there's a muskrat. Or is that a beaver? His attention is fixed on me. Oh, I just got swiped. This may be the color. This may be the color. Oh, that was sick. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. That was sick. He took the plastic. Like, I've never once caught a lily pad fish on this lake. It's just like they hate lily pads for some reason. Somebody came after me. Got all the wildlife back here. There's some turkeys, some deer. Oh my goodness gracious. What the fuck? That hawk, or whatever that was, an owl. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't seem like it wants me back here. What the hell? That thing was so close to me. What is that? That's an owl, right? That thing like swooped at me for sure. Oh yeah, that's an owl. Damn, that was crazy. What the hell? Dude, there's an owl, 2 deer, bunch of turkeys. I thought that thing was a turkey. What the hell? I'm gonna troll this whopper plopper. Oh my gosh, it just picked up my bait. Oh my god. That bird just picked up my bait. What the hell? That was crazy. Bro, I can't figure out this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what was that? I couldn't tell what that was. If that was a smallmouth, that was like a nice 4-pound smallmouth. The hair jig on. Hopefully we can get some hair jig river bass. Oh my God, big effing bass just fouled me in. Oh my goodness gracious, that was a bass right there. That was a monster, bro. Dude, that was a goddamn monster bass. That was gonna be a big bass, bro. Just pike mayhem. Nice size, probably 30-inch pike. Thought it was like a 6-pound bass. There we go. How the hell? You got hooked on the side of you. Finally got a bass. So small. I think I was using the wrong colored blades the whole time. Only have, my good spinnerbaits only have gold, and I was kind of forcing the gold. Come on, one more fish. Oh my God, we got hit. How did we miss that? Come on, bite it again, bite it again. One more fish. Come on. There we go. There we go. We saved it for the last fish. Nice size smallie. Yes. Finally, it took all day to catch this fish. Oh my God. There we go. I'll take that all day. There we go. What a stud, bro. Last fish of the day. Probably a nice 4-pound smallmouth. 18 inches. Oh, favorite fish. Oh. I think that's how we end it right there. That's how we end it right there. This water is so murky. It literally makes the silver blades look like gold. So I think the golden blades were just like too much.